Hey there Libras, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your September month reading for the month of for your love life, and it will be a general message for you. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. As you are seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out because I have done reading before with these cards. So let's start your reading without any further delay. So in the underneath the deck you are having a hangman and the emperor. So these two cards suggesting me that maybe there is a waiting period for you and or for your partner. So maybe you are waiting for the perfect partner in your life. So after this waiting period your partner is coming back towards you, or maybe if you are single you are getting the perfect partner of your life after long waiting, or if you are in an existing relationship, in a love relationship or in a marriage relationship, so after long waiting period you are getting your partner back in your life. It can be a this person have authority over you, or it can be a authority figure with whom you are dealing right now in the month of September. So let's see what other cards are saying. That in the base of the ring you are having two of cup. After a long time your partner is coming toward you. It can be an energy of days of August and the start of the September. You are having a beautiful time, lovely time with your person. It's a soulmate connection. You are feeling the soulmate connection with this person, and you are spending beautiful time with your partner. So if it's a new person it's coming and you are feeling soulmate connection with this person. So after this connection there's a lot of things you have to confront with your person. If it's a new person, you people are asking a lot of questions to each other. If it's an existing relationship, so you are you after getting after a long time getting your person back, you are doing things in a hurry. Maybe you thought that if your partner come back to you, you will do that, you will do that, so you will do this, you will do that. So that's why you are in a hurry and you are doing things in a quick way, or you are rushing into things. So or if it's a new relationship, so you have to you are asking a lot of questions, or maybe your person is asking a lot of questions to you, and you have to answer these questions after find a clarity. You people will ready, or maybe you are ready to take the risk or new start in this connection. But what is blocking its new connection is the Seven of Pentacles. So your person is very much in a waiting period. Maybe you thought that the waiting period is over, but there's no chance to over this waiting period. So your person is waiting for something, because I'm seeing here your person is waiting, and their ships are coming. So there's more time for wait, because ships are coming but they are not in a doorstep. But you can see them, they are coming, but they are not completely come to completely in your hand, but they are coming. So you have to wait, or maybe your partner is maybe it's a financial things which your partner have to waiting for. Maybe there is a financial stability which is blocking this connection to start again, or maybe because it's a stability in your mind. You want a stable connection, or maybe you are thinking to earn something, or if it's a financial lack here, so you are decided to help your person. Maybe you are also working, or maybe it's like that. You the stable connection is in your mind. You want stable connection, like perfect connection where your person fulfilling all the responsibilities which is they are having towards you. So that's why this is your wish to have a stable connection with this person. So you are also taking some kind of actions. You are getting a lot of passionate, you are getting attractive and charismatic to for your person, and you are getting charming because you met your person, your perfect person, and you are getting very much passionate for this person. And what is your hopes, wishes and desires are that your person want love, your person want or maybe you are ready to offer your cup of love to your person, but your person is waiting for something. They are blocking this connection. So this can be a clash between you and your partner in the end of the month, and I'm seeing that you are trying to find out more about your person. uh, it's like that if it's a new connection, you ask lot of question, and your person asks a lot of question, but it's not enough. They want to find out more. So which is it's like that they want to find out more. That's why they are blocking this connection to have to fully start uh, to fully start the connection. So they are spying over you, or maybe you are spying over them. This spying can become a clash, or after spying, you and your partner can find something about each other, and this become a sudden breakup. This can be a cause of sudden breakup for you. Or if it's a marriage relationship and existing relationship, uh, this waiting period where your partner is waiting, and they are not starting fully this relationship to a next level, you will find out, you will spy, and uh, maybe you can fight over this with your partner. So this can be a clash. This can become a clash between you people. So let's see what's the romance angel oracle message for you. Calling in your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring together. So when you met this person, and you are after a long time, you are spending lovely time with your person, you will feel that your affirmations and visualizations are becoming true. And after this clashes, after this truth find out, maybe it's a religious factor is coming between you. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So maybe it can be like that, you and your partner having a religious difference, which is a huge difference, or you people trying to find out and clear out the thoughts and how this relationship can work. So that's why you are waiting, and your person is waiting to find out more, that how this relationship can work further. But you feel that this relationship cannot in the end of the month, you feel that this relationship will not cannot continue. So that's why you people can break apart in the end of the month. So what is the number message for you is a 444. Your angels are guiding you, surrounding you, and answering your prayers for protecting. It may be a time of struggle, but you are being led into the light by your guardians. So it's like that, your prayers are answering, your angels are guiding you in some way. And another message is 11 and 41. Take responsibility for the thing in your life. Don't allow distraction to prevent you from completing crucial tasks in time. So it's like that, you have to take the responsibility of this relationship. If you are in a relationship, you should not let destruction come in this connection. So your angels are helping you and answering your prayers. So you should not let those destruction which is leading you to a breakup. You should not let that destruction come in your relationship. You have to take the responsibility of this relationship. You have to wait more, so that angel can guide you in a better way. So what to do and what not to do. So Libras, that was your reading for the month of September. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.